QuickBooks Online user types. In QuickBooks Online, there are two user types, a business user or an accounting professional user. It's important when a client invites you into their QuickBooks Online data file to work on their books that you are invited into QuickBooks Online as an accounting professional. This will ensure you have access to additional tools and functionality that a business user will not have access to. You can easily see if you've been invited in as an accountant user. So let's check that out along with the additional tools that you have access to as an accountant professional user. Here we see Natasha's QBOA dashboard. And as we click into the client, first off, you can see that we have the logo QB Accountant. If we click into, let's try Larry and Barry's Landscaping. When we click into their file, so this is Larry and Barry's QuickBooks Online data file, you can see it still says QB Accountant. If they have given you access only as a business user, it will say QuickBooks. It won't have the logo of QB Accountant. So please take note of that. Otherwise, you will miss out on the great features that you have available to you as an advisor. QuickBooks Online Accountant user will have access to the accountant tools, which are found over here under Accountant Tools. These tools will be covered in more detail in the Books Review and BAS Preparation module. If I click into this, you can see you have quick links, which will take you directly into chart of accounts, journal entries really quickly instead of moving across over to the new Create area. Under the tools, you can see you've got clients' requests, notes. So this will take you directly into that particular window. You have Reclassify transactions. This is an awesome tool that we have because you can reclassify transactions that your clients may have made by mistake. You have report options. Write-off invoices is a good little tool to have here because this you can run off the report to write off bad debts, and the discussion can be had with your clients around the aging and coming to a conclusion on which ones can be written off. Write-offs can be done directly for those who are not registered for GST, but those registered for GST will be written off via an adjustment note. Now, we will take a look at that a little bit later on as well. You also have Prep for Taxes as well, which will take you directly into preparing the finalisation of the QuickBooks Online data file for the accountant. Under the accountant tools, you also have under reports, you have additional reports as an accountant as well. Now, Natasha ensures that when she takes on any new clients already using QuickBooks Online, she or Carol are invited into the file as an accountant user. And we'll take a look at that a little bit later on, as I mentioned. And if by some chance they have been invited in as a business user, she contacts the client immediately to remedy that situation so they will have full access to the additional functionality that comes with QuickBooks Online Accountant.